Sheila, we are tired of women taking advantage of us.
We are the organization
Of men.
association.
Yamadoda. Oh, me.
Talelala, on New Year's Eve.
Baby, usenzelani nge-New Year's Eve?
Ngevale.
Baby, usenzelani ngevale?
On Heritage Day.
Usenzelani nge-Heritage Day, babe?
And on my birthday.
Baby, don't you wanna wrap your presents?
Hi.
Ngisayishaya ikhosi. Khosi. Baba.
No.